Yo, what is up, guys? Driz TD. We're back with another video. We out in nature. We finally touched grass. But yeah, so what we're basically doing today, I cleaned out this trail last week. You see them critters stomping down through here? Oh my god. We got a nice little path going down through here. What I'm thinking of doing today is I'm thinking about putting a stand right in that tree right there. You feel me? And what I'm going to do with the leaf blower is I'm going to clear out this trail right here. It's going to look just like this one. Cause that's how that looked before. It's nothing but just all these leaves. But yeah, I just figured we'd do a little different kind of video. I mean, we finally touched some grass, so. But yeah, as you can see, we got a few trails coming down through here right now. As you can see, there's one of those mineral blocks over there, and they just been hammering it. As you can see, a trail goes up down through here, so all I'm gonna do is connect that trail right there. As you can see, I already kind of picked up the sticks, but look at this fucking nest up here, dude. Like, this shit is fucking massive. I shit you not, I sent my dad down here and he said, I didn't see no nest. Kicking my ass.
You got soft hands, boy.
So yeah, here's what we got going so far. That cleaned all up. Just need to cut all these weeds out of here. Got that all cleared up. Yes, sirskis.
What the fuck is this?
Night and day difference. Then yeah, guys, we just got this last trail right here to do. It's gonna be going all the way to the corn right there, if you can tell. Right, so you just came out of the corn right here. You're gonna go down from these rocks. I'll just keep going straight, I guess. That turned out sweet. Goes all the way to there. All the way to that one. Think about putting the stand either right there or one of these ones in here. Any of them will do. It's looking sweet. That turned out awesome.